thanks for joining me today. In today's video, we are making an easy, cheesy rice Instant Pot dish. I will leave all the information in the description box below on what I used for this recipe. Stay tuned to the end of this video and let me know what you think. Let's get started. In this video, we are using natural long grain rice, sharp cheddar cheese, have some sour cream, red enchilada sauce, low sodium black beans, and your spices. The spices I'm using are cumin, garlic powder, and pepper. We're going to start by adding 2 cups of brown long grain rice to our Instant Pot. And after that, we're going to start adding our spices. I'm going to start with a teaspoon of cumin, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can actually add garlic, minced garlic. And then we're going to add our salt and pepper. I am not adding salt because my husband has high blood pressure. And then we're going to add our enchilada sauce. Now I use 28 ounces. You can use the smaller 15-ounce can if you'd like. I find that the 15-ounce can is a little dry for us. After that, we're going to add our black beans. I also use low sodium black beans. Now don't stir any of this. Then we're going to add on top of that 2.5 cups of water. And again, don't stir. We're going to place our Instant Pot lid onto the Instant Pot. You'll want to make sure it's on seal, and then we're going to start our Instant Pot. We're going to set it for exactly 22 minutes. Once we get to 22 minutes, then we'll go ahead and press the start button, and that will start our Instant Pot. It's also going to build the pressure up first before the timer actually starts. 22 minutes have gone by. Now I'm going to let the Instant Pot sit for 10 minutes and vent naturally. So now 10 minutes have gone by. I'm going to let the steam out by pressing the vent to the side. You'll want to make sure that your face is not in front of the vent. It will burn you. And if you see the red dot is on the bottom now where it was on top, that means the steam was let out and that your Instant Pot is okay to open. So go ahead and open your Instant Pot. So you may see it's a little bubbly and it looks a little watery on top, but you'll see I'm going to give it a stir and it's all going to mix in. So at this point, you will want to go ahead and add your cheese to the Instant Pot. You can additionally add some lime juice. Keeping it real though, I really forget to get the lime a lot of times, and actually there really is no difference to me with the lime, so I usually just skip it. So here you can see I'm adding my cheese now, and you'll want to add between 1 to 2 cups of the cheese, and this is sharp grated cheddar cheese, so it's your preference, and then that's it. For a garnish, you can add sour cream, avocado, and even cilantro if you'd like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you make this video, let me know. I always love to hear when someone makes a recipe. Makes me so happy. Thank you so much, and I will see you at the next video.